Hello you guys, hi, welcome once again to my channel. If you are new, I am, yes, me, myself, I am Susanita Efe. Today's video is all about this look right here. Yes, I created this look for you guys and I want to show you guys how I was able to achieve this look right here. But before we get right into today's tutorial, please, if you are not subscribed to my channel after watching this video and you think you like my content, please make sure you hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a video you will be notified. That being said, if you are not following me on Instagram, please go follow me on Instagram. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look right here, and if you think you like this video, give it a thumbs up. To the tutorial now. I'm going to start with my back studio finish concealer. So I'm just going to use my hand to blend that in. I'm going to go in with a light transition color and I'll be using this one right here. I'm going to use my concealer. This is my MAC Studio Finish concealer, the one I applied before applying the transition color. I'm going to use it to draw a very tiny, like a wing. This is a contour palette, but I'll be using one of this pink right here because this is hot enough. So I'm going to use this one right here. Now I'm okay with this color. The next color that I will go in with is purple color, and this purple I'm using is from the Creative Me palette. Next color I will go in with is a blue color. I'm going to use this blue right here. This one, that's the one I will go in with. I think I'm okay with that. I'm just going to blend a little bit the upper part with that color, the transition color. I'm just going to use it to blend the upper part so there, just to fade the harsh lines. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to take face paint, a white face paint, and I'm going to try to create some stars. So I'm just making it wet. What do you guys think? Oh, I'm so nervous. So now you guys, I'm going to go under my eyes. I'm going to go under my eyes with the same colors that I used on top. I'm just going to go under it. Next I'm going to go in with just a highlighter, just to highlight my tear dot area and then my brow bone area. So that's what I'll be doing now. So I'm going to be using the Essence. This one is from Essence. You guys, I know I like Essence products a lot because they are quite cheap. So I'm just going to go in with this highlighter right here. I'm just going to, I think I'm okay with the eyes. I'm going to go off camera, finish the other eye and the other part of the face, then I will be back for the final look. Okay, don't go anywhere, I'll be right back. I am back and I'm done with the other eye, as you can see. That being said, we are going to continue with the look. I'm going to apply my highlighter, lipstick. I think I'll be going for a lip paint today. Lip paint, that's what I'll be going for. So let me not talk too much, let me just continue with this look. So the highlighter that I'll be using today, you guys, is the Revolution Rainbow Highlighter. I don't know if you guys can see that. I've only used this highlighter once and it was really dramatic, but today I don't care. Before I apply this, I will quickly apply a bronzer. This one right here, this one will be going with something dark. That's the same palette I used for my eyes. Next, I will go in with the highlighter. You guys, I'm super scared, but anyways, I'm just going to like, whew. You guys, you see what I was talking about? You see? Now I think it's kind of normal. Now it's okay. So what I think about this highlighter is when you apply it cautiously, like it's very nice. Looking at how it turned out on my forehead, you guys, take a look. It's like I have the sun on top of my head. When you apply it gently, it's a very beautiful palette. I like it, but you just have to be careful whilst applying it. That's just the key. I'll be using this lip liner, this soft contour lip liner from Essence. That's one I'll be using. You guys, everything I will be like, everything I used or everything I already used, I'll list them in the description box below, so you can check it out if you like. So let's start with the lip. So the palette that I'll be using for my lip, it's this Essence Mixing Zone. This palette right here, that's the one I'll be using for my lip. So I'll be using this blue color right here. Let me try the blue. I just hope it works out nicely the way it worked out in my imagination. You guys, I am not feeling the sleep at all, but I'm not going to give up. I'm going to continue. So at this point, I think I'm just going to grab a blue eye pencil to see if I can work with that. These are the blue eye pencil I could find. This one is from Davies and the other one is from Essence. So I'm going to try if I can work with this. If I cannot work with it, you guys, I'm just going to go for my nude. I think this is not bad. I just have to deepen it more. For the fun of it, I'm just going to apply a tiny star. So you guys, I think I'm satisfied with the look of the lip. But to complete this look, we are not done. Now I'm just going to wear some falsies. Like, I'm just going to go wear those false lashes and I will be right back. Here's the finished look. Let me ask you guys, where do you think you can wear this type of look to? Anyways, leave your comment down below. Tell me where is suitable to wear a look like this to, because this is the dramatic look. This look, anywhere you go with it, you are going to cause drama. You are going to call. Enough talking. Bye guys, see you in my next video.